Welcome to Savvy, where we have lots of practical wisdom to share. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button below, and while you're at it, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more advice here at Savvy. Exercising. We've all done it at some point in our lives, from walking to the nearest convenience store to joining a triathlon. In today's video, Practical Wisdom will show you the long-lasting effects of body exercise on your brain, as shown in the research findings of neuroscientist Wendy Suzuki. To start, look at this picture of the actual human brain. Don't worry, we won't get much into the technical and scientific details of the brain. We'll breeze through this. We just need to understand these critical parts first to make sense of the effects of exercise as take place on these key brain parts. The prefrontal cortex is the part responsible for our attention, decision-making, and even our personality. The right and left temporal lobes are highlighted mainly because these lobes contain the part hippocampus, and the hippocampus is a key part of our ability to make long-term memories. Why are these points important, and how do they relate to exercise being brain-changing? Well, it's because exercise changes those parts specifically. Dr. Suzuki summarized these changes during her talk. Let's take a closer look. Number 1, a minimum of one exercise can improve our attention. Remember that attention is heavily dependent on the prefrontal cortex, which means that one exercise literally is affecting the prefrontal cortex, and therefore makes us ultra-focused than we're just sitting the day away. You don't have to do warm-ups, intense push-ups, and necessary cool-downs to achieve this little reward. There are lots of mild exercises to start from. Have you ever heard of chair yogas? Even getting out of your house for a while to do a little jog would do the trick. Get your prefrontal cortex going. The second change of exercise on our brain is actually amazing. It literally produces new brain cells in the hippocampus. Remember what the hippocampus's function is? Haha, it's remembering! But not just any remembering. It's about retaining long-term memories. Imagine having new avenues for your brain to store long-term memories with the new brain cells exercise is going to give you. Get your body moving to give space for new memories. Sounds fair to me. The best part about this effect on the hippocampus? It's immediate. Exercise now and have new brain cells. What a deal! The third and most astounding effect of exercise on our brain is its lasting effects. What are these lasting effects? Before we dive into them, comment down below stories of how exercising in a big or small way has changed the way you live. Inspire others. Now, about these lasting effects. Let's start with the neurotransmitters. Serotonin, dopamine, noradrenaline. These jargons are neurotransmitters responsible for sending messages in our brains. Serotonin, for example, impacts our mood and is crucial in feeling comfortable and contented. Dopamine is the reward neurotransmitter. Essentially, it makes you feel good when you achieve something. Noradrenaline is responsible for telling our body to fight or take flight. Exercise's lasting effect is that it increases these neurotransmitters, making our brain and body more able to regulate emotions and making sure we stay alive when there's an emergency. No more lags if it's time to run or stay. The next and probably most important lasting effect of exercise is the way it protects the brain from neurodegenerative diseases. We don't want Alzheimer's when we reach our golden years, right? Turns out simple aerobic exercises can delay its formation or prevent it completely. How does it work? Just like how some form biceps, abs, and stronger muscles from exercise, the brain also gets physically stronger and bigger because of exercise. Remember that new brain cells are produced? That's right. The brain literally grows in size, albeit in minuscule measurements. This growth is what delays the neurodegenerative diseases from ruining your memories and ultimately your life. Let's put everything in practice, shall we? Dr. Suzuki suggests that based on her research, a 30-minute exercise 3 to 4 times a week is enough to get these brain-changing goodies. Just make sure they are exercises that get your heart rate up in some way. And make sure to check with your doctor first if you have existing health problems. The only part you need to actually think about is when to do this 30-minute exercise in your schedule. So how about you switch up screen time for a little exercise and see for a month if it's worth it. You can install an app that monitors your phone screen time and see just how much time you can spare to do these exercises. You'd be surprised. In fact, let's have a bit of an exercise now. If you have enough space, stand up and follow my lead as we do a basic marching exercise in 3, 2, 1. Make sure to move your legs. Left, 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 right, left, right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, left. How does it feel to move ever just for a bit? We're built to move around, so what are you waiting for? Get brain changed and keep the neurodegenerative diseases away. Well, that is enough practical wisdom for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up below. We will be posting 4 to 5 videos per week, so click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of our new videos weekly. Thanks everyone, and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao!